Okay, so here we have another worksheet, and this one is on telling time to the hour. And in this case, they've given us the time. It's going to be 12 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 9 o'clock. What they want us to do is draw the hands on each clock to show the correct time. So we can see the clocks are missing their hands. Now remember, we can use something like green to show the shorter hand pointing to the hour. In this case, it's going to be pointing up to 12. So I'm going to make a short green hand pointing to the 12. And we know that the minutes are going to be 0, 0. To show 0, 0, we're going to draw the longer red hand straight up to the 12. So both hands are pointing straight up. Here we've got 2 o'clock. So I want to make my shorter hand, I'm going to do it in green, pointing towards the 2. There we go. That's my 2 o'clock. And I want to make my bigger hand that points to 0, 0. We know 0, 0 means 12, straight up, 0 minutes. That's where the clock starts. Right up there. 2 o'clock. What time do they want us to do here? 9. So where are we going to draw the short green hand pointing to? It's going to point to the 9. This one shows us how many minutes? 0, 0. Where are we going to draw the longer red hand pointing to? Straight up to the 12. All right, let's look at the bottom clocks. Here's our hour, shorthand. Here's our minutes, longhand. So this one's going to have the shorthand pointing down to the 6, and it's going to have the longhand pointing straight up to the 12. And that's how it shows 6 o'clock. Here we've got the number representing the hour. That's a 10. Find 10 on the clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make the shorthand pointing to the 10. Here we've got the minutes, 0, 0. We know that means straight up. Make the long hand pointing to the 12. That represents 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. Last one. This shows the hour. Find that number on the clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Draw our short green hand pointing towards that 7. 0, 0 represents the minutes. That means straight up to the 12 to show 0 minutes. Our clock says 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. That's drawing hands to show clocks by the hour.